I am so excited about our new skincare product. I got to try it and we put it on half of my face. And I have struggled from some health issues with some pretty dark circles under my eyes. And so we put it on there, and the side that received our new product was puffed up and red and vital and looked completely different. It was like two different faces. And so I know I'm going to use this product for the rest of my life. I'm so excited to see what it's going to do for people, especially for those of us that live in places like northern New Mexico, where it's sunny and windy almost every single day, and aging can happen a lot faster. I really value natural skincare. I'm really picky about what I put in and on my body, and what we have is so pure and so potent, and I can't wait to see the reaction from the field, and I can't wait to use it every single day and transform my own face as well. So,
the skin is the biggest organ in the body. So what you take into the skin is part of your internal wellness. So the fact that I think the reason why NOX is kind of extraordinary, and you don't see wrinkles, and it does kind of clear the skin, and it makes it feel more vibrant and really alive. Like there's more color to your face. It's less about the lines, but what you're doing is you're activating that organ to take care of itself. And again, for me, when you get the body doing what it's meant to do, activating collagen, getting the skin to be vital, to take in oxygen and to be more vibrant, that to me is just aces. I couldn't be happier about that.
I think everyone's going to be really excited. I think everyone's going to be really, really blown away. I think that it's going to just absolutely explode to have this level of skincare. I've never seen anything like it, and I've tried a lot of different things and a lot of under-eye creams, and nothing works like this. So I'm really excited. I'm excited to share it with our team in Japan. I think they're really going to love it. And
so now I've used it for a bit of time, like maybe almost 3 months, maybe more like 2. And what I notice is the cumulative effect. Is that, yes, I noticed something in the very beginning, but what I've noticed in using it over time is that it has this cumulative effect. Like I feel like my skin's getting better. And as those of you know that are getting older, it's not like you get better every day. It's like you notice more wrinkles when you wake up in the morning. But I'm actually noticing a more vitality to my skin. And when I put it on, I mean, there's just something about it. You feel alive. The skin feels alive. It's like it's because of that nitrous oxide. It's like an explosion. It's a little bit, I don't know, it feels very living. And I like that.